Hello, I'm Jeff, case manager for the law offices of Alan Farshi. Mr. Farshi is our insurance law attorney with 25 years of experience in insurance law and bad faith insurance litigation. Let me start by saying if you have lost your home or commercial property in the recent Pacific Palisades, Malibu, and the Eaton fires, our heart goes out to you and fellow members of your community. We generally begin evaluating a fire insurance claim with a thorough review of your insurance policy, looking for potential legalese, or specific language including conditions, limitations, or exclusions embodied in your policy. During the consultation, we will evaluate the sufficiency or limitations of your coverage and address your questions and concerns. Should you decide to have us represent, we will take your case on a contingency. Many of you may not have yet been allowed to return to your homes and are unaware of the nature or extent of your damages. There are many reasons for getting us involved in the early stages. You see, once an insurance claim is filed, rather than dispatch an investigator, your insurance company will embark on a hurried review of your initial insurance application, including your annual renewals, to find the slightest inconsistencies. The purpose, of course, is to deny your claim at the onset. As you can imagine, your insurance company is not your friend. Assuming your adjuster finds no reason for an outright denial, he will dispatch an independent estimator to the scene. In most cases, following the insurance carrier's review, one of the following two outcomes can be expected. 1. A lowball offer, or 2. A reservation of rights letter. If your claim was denied, they may reopen your claim, but will now serve you with their notice of examination under oath. This examination can last several hours. It's invasive, under oath, and taken by a combative attorney. The notice of examination is preceded by requests to produce numerous irrelevant documents, even tax returns. Its only purpose, again, is to discourage you. Now a little bit on lowball offers. To justify their lowball offer, insurance companies commonly use outside estimators. This estimator will use outdated hourly labor and material costs. Those costs are obtained from databanks favorable to your insurance carrier. Furthermore, in total loss situations, such as in a wildfire, it is not uncommon for an insurance carrier to allocate a ridiculously high market valuation to your land. The result is your insurance company's insanely low offer. If you question or challenge their offer, your insurer will invoke your policy's appraisal process. An appraisal process requires you to agree to their choice of an appraiser and the umpire. As you may conclude, these are complex legal hurdles to overcome. Better left to an experienced insurance attorney. At the law offices of Alan Farshi, we will represent you from the beginning through the end on a low contingency fee. This means you will not pay us any attorney fees until we settle your claim. In conclusion, we are here to represent you through this perilous process. Hope to see you soon.